So AMD is here at IFA, and what are you showing at IFA?
We are showing at IFA AMD Live. AMD Live means the connectivity between an AMD Live PC in your home and the integration of consumer electronic devices like set-top boxes, MP3 players and DVD players, all networked together in your home so that you can access content from all these different devices from your PC, and you can watch, for example, videos, photos and other stuff in your living room, which is stored on your PC and networked with your set-top box.
Alright, so the AMD processor in the PC is doing all the work?
The PC is doing all the work, so you don't have to care about whether this is an MPEG-2, an MPEG-4 video, is an DivX video. The transcoding of the MPEG stream, of the video stream, is done on the PC, therefore you need a very powerful CPU, a dual-core Athlon 64 CPU, so all the transcoding is done there.
In real time?
In real time, and then the video is streamed to your set-top box, and you can watch it very conveniently in your living room. So you don't have to care about processing power in your set-top box.
So you can just get a very cheap, thin set-top box that just does a basic codec?
That's the basic codec, MPEG-2 codec, but it has to be a network interface. Then you connect it with your PC, and the PC does all the rest.
But you need a special firmware in the set-top box, or you just get a normal set-top box that has a network? You need a special firmware that connects with AMD Live?
Yes.
So
on AMD Live we have Windows Media Center and the Windows Media Center extender. So the setup is either to support the Media Center extender or has to include a special firmware. We call it the Media Mall. So the Media Mall connects to the PC, and then you can access all the different digital formats you have with the PC and see them on the set-top box.
How cheap can you get a set-top box for the TV, do you know?
They start at approximately 100 euros. So we have a partner here on the booth who will launch a set-top box with approximately 100 euros retail price up to 700 euros.
Which company is doing the 100 euro?
Oh, the set-top box, it's a set-top box company here, it's WorldSat. They're from France, by the way.
WorldSat? They're doing the 100 euro one?
Yes.
So that's really a basic one, but you get access to any kind of video file on that?
Yes.
Because AMD is doing the processing.
Yes, the PC is doing all the processing, the PC is doing the transcoding, and the set-top box is just displaying the content on the TV.
So any codec that the Windows computer can play back, you need to install the codecs first, or does the AMD support any kind of codec?
You need to install the codecs on the PC, of course.
Alright.
Just the
DivX
PC that the PC understands the format of the video files. But the software does all the rest, so you need the transcoding software on the PC.
Do you have some hardware to show? Can you show some examples of how the thin clients look?
The thin clients look. We have an AMD 64 Live PC here. So this is a Fujitsu Siemens PC with Windows Media Center Edition. And what you can see here is, for example, we have here a live video. So this is DVB-T video, DVB-T feed from the roof. And if I could have a mouse.
The mouse is hidden. It's behind here, maybe.
Oh, have you seen it already? Okay,
this is right.
And I could show you here. So normally this here would be live content via ORB coming from a PC in the UK, displaying BBC 1 or BBC 2. It's stuck currently. I don't know why it's stuck. Try to access it again, but I don't know why it's stuck.
So there's a what do you call it? AMD, the firmware. What was the name? AMD Mall.
Media Mall.
Media Mall.
So it's Media Mall.
So that is a different firmware for each hardware that is going to be.
Media Mall delivers a little piece of software. And the vendor of the set-top box.
Can choose to include it.
So for example, WorldSat or any other vendor can include it in the firmware.
They work together with AMD to do that.
They work together with us or with the Media Mall, then they include it in the firmware, and And then you have this additional functionality, including UPnP. So you have the UPnP functionality, so that the devices see each other in the network, and understand each other in the
automatically. You don't need to enter IP, gateway, all that.
Nothing.
Automatic.
This is all done by a UPnP. So it's really plug and play. And it's very important so that the PC knows this is a set-top box understanding MP2. This is a set-top box that does also understand Windows media files, for example. This is all done by a UPnP.
Alright. And you might get access to remotely control DVB-T, or could you do that? If you have a DVB-T entrance, could you change channel on the TV through the Media Mall software, or?
I can.
Or access video on demand and stuff like that?
I can access video on demand on the set-top box. So if you go to the set-top box, I can show you.
So there.
This is like the video I took in my last vacation. Yeah. That's Cuba video.
Right.
Okay. So now I go here.
Yeah.
This is my network DVD player in my living room, and then I have here the Cuba region. And there it is again.
And there it is.
So it's streamed from the PC here to my TV in the living room by a network DVD player.
Alright.
And also be a network set-top box. Set-top box. So the DVD player has a functionality in its own. You can play DVDs, but due to the network connectivity, I can access the files on my PC, stream them to my DVD player, and have access to it.
Right. And are you working on implementing this on many different hardwares?
Yes.
Not only.
This is our mission. So we're talking to a lot of vendors. This is the concept. A lot of companies love this. We are talking to a lot of different companies that they implement this functionality into their devices.
So it's just a functionality that. And it only works with AMD processor? The software?
The AMD processor is the best processor for this functionality.
Just checking.
So you need a dual core processor, and the AMD processor has the best price performance.
But it might work with the other one also. It might work with Intel if you just get the software.
It might work with Intel, I haven't tried it, unfortunately. I should try it. Then I can tell you whether it works best or it works worse.
But so you will implement it also on the mobile phones? Is that what I heard?
Yeah, it's already available on mobile phones. So any 3G phone you can access on any 3G phone website. We're working together with Orb. Orb.com. And they do offer video streaming via internet. When you have a 3G phone, you can access on your internet browser on your phone.
You get all your video there.
And I get all my videos via Orb on my mobile phone. And I can watch video here, watch my photos there, watch my listen to my MP3 system.
Alright, so the AMD processor actually encodes the video to put on the 3G.
Yes.
So it makes a small file automatically, and it's good for the...
Detects what device I'm using, and automatically adjusts.
Also with the bit rate?
Yes.
Yeah, so if there's a little bit network going down,
checks the network speed. Checks the network speed, checks what device I have, and then automatically detects the size of the video and the to have the best performance when streaming the video to my device.
Okay, that's very interesting. So because some of the DivX videos cannot go on 3G, so it's good that it makes a smaller file.
Yes.
And sometimes the Wi-Fi hotspots, if you had a Wi-Fi device, sometimes the Wi-Fi hotspot is not so fast.
11 megabits, so it might happen that the video gets very small. So depending on the connectivity, the quality of connectivity, we get a larger or smaller video, or better quality or lower quality. So it detects the speed.
Is it possible for the user to actually choose the speed?
No.
If they want to have lower because they don't want to, or
this is
if they
done
want to turn it automatically.
So we decided to make it as easy as possible for the end user. It doesn't have to care about 11 megabit, 54 megabit, 108. So most users do not understand what this means. So anyone who knows about connectivity and about bit rates, for them it's easy. It might be good to choose the best performance rate. But therefore we decided to let the software do it automatically. So the user gets the video and doesn't have to care about whether it's small, large, whatever. We just focus on the content, not on how it's delivered.
So how about DVRs? Can they record your TV shows at home?
Yes.
And then you can watch it on 3G?
Yes.
But you need a DVR that works on a Windows computer. You cannot use a...
No, we are using the PC.
You have a DVR there?
We have a TV card in our PC. and then we can, for example, record TV programs there
into the folder where
into the folder where I have my stored videos, and then I can access this stored videos, this stored TV program from anywhere.
Anywhere in the world.
I can watch live TV or I can watch recorded TV.
All right.
I can even start the recording remotely on the PC while I'm somewhere else.
But because Intel has a Vive, you know, for the living room. Does AMD have the equivalent, so you can just...
No. We don't think that the PC should be in the critical path of the consumer.
Yeah.
Most consumers don't want the PC in the living room.
Yeah.
So when the PC crashes, which sometimes happens, not due to the CPU, but due to all the other peripherals in the PC, then PC program is gone. So we think the PC should stay where it is, in the working room, in the children's rooms, in the cellar, wherever. And you have the devices in the living room which are for the TV, so a set-top box, DVD player. And all the content you want to see on your TV comes from the PC, network, through the house, to your living room. So
locally or all over the internet?
Wherever. From the internet, locally, wherever.
But how do you do for the internet? Do you need to access the server and log in, username, password? How does it work?
We have the functionality already here in our devices. So they're all online capable.
Because you don't want to have anybody access your folder. I mean,
I don't want anybody to access my folder.
Yeah, if you do this, then you want it that you have to authentify your 3G phone, for example. You have to set up the connection. For example, if it's a 3G phone, you have to say it's me with the password or something.
You have a login name and a password.
And you type it in one time and then it remembers it.
Yeah, it remembers it. There's a check mark, remember me all time, remember me once, or forget me.
And the username password, it goes on AMD server or something?
It goes on the ORP server.
ORP server.
And my PC at home knows the ORP server, or the ORP server knows my PC, so they already know each other. Whenever I log me in, the ORP server redirects me to my PC so I can access my content. And when I'm at home, I can access online content from my set-top box or from my DVD player, which is connected to the internet. And I see specifically designed content, which is specifically designed for the PC, for the TV, not for the PC. So it's larger. I can see it from within 3 meters. And I don't have to sit directly in front of my screen. I can sit conveniently in my couch and use my normal remote control to browse through the pages. So it's specifically designed.
Browse through the pages. Medium loading.
This is active TV. This means, let me show you the menu first. So this is a menu of media. So this is all things I can access from the set-top box. DVD, photos, music, videos, even software, games and stuff like this. TV, and active TV. Active TV is online content coming from the internet. So now I can choose here movies and TV. For example, cinema now, AOL, music on demand. I can even order video on demand.
It works now? All that? Is it on the market already?
It's already on the market. There are several companies offering this.
Oh, you can watch Colbert Report. Stephen Colbert.
Where was it?
Somebody called Colbert. He's on Comedy Central. I'm sure there's going to be a...
So this is not directly coming from the internet. This is the actual Comedy Central website. But this is specifically designed for
you go on Daily Show Colbert.
Yeah. Okay.
Just to try it.
How to get there? Ah, here.
There, can we see a clip? Yeah.
So whenever I access it, it should also appear in this small window. Downloads it now currently from the internet. Loading.
So this is happening over the internet.
All is happening over there.
Through the AMD proxy. I mean,
it's just connected to the internet. For this I don't need the PC. This is just functionality that I can go into the internet and download some videos or stuff, whatever, and see directly on the screen. I need the PC because the PC is a counterpart of the set-top box.
Maybe the internet is slow or something.
But how about we are on the trade show here, so it could be that we are.
But how about the content on this portal? Who decides what is going on the portal? Can the user just add some sites?
Yes. This really depends on either on the media mall. So media mall is the service provider of all the service. But this could also happen that if you, for example, if you buy a set-top box, and the set-top box vendor decides what information the user could, for example, see when he accesses the media mall, that you see specific content provided by the set-top box vendor.
Maybe a user can add some channels somehow.
Maybe.
All right.
Currently, it's not here, but maybe.
But how about the caching of the video files? Does it at any point cache? Is it possible if you have a mobile phone to save the file on the mobile phone?
No, it's
just streaming.
Streaming.
There's no functionality to keep it there.
No. You can access it always.
Yeah.
So why should you keep a video file on your mobile phone? Where will you keep it? On SD card.
So you don't spend so much bandwidth if you want to watch it many times.
Yeah, but if you access it, for example, via a hotspot, then it doesn't matter.
And the AMD can just encode it again, it doesn't matter. It doesn't want to save a copy in a cache folder.
Makes no sense.
Makes no sense. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you.